Hey everyone, this is Dade here with MarineMax Grand Lake. Today we're giving you a short walkthrough on this used 2018 Malibu Wakesetter. Alright, making our way inside the boat here. This Malibu is powered by a 6.2 liter Inmar Monsoon. It's going to have 95 hours on it here. As you can see, it's got the gray and green color scheme throughout here on the interior. Plenty of wraparound seating. This boat actually has a capacity for 17 people, get all of your friends and family on board. You've got your touchscreen there, your surf controls. Your battery is going to be located right under here. And then up at the bow, lots of seating options up here. Plenty of space. If you like this Malibu or anything else you see in our online inventory, feel free to stop by Grand Lake MarineMax today or give us a call.